Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm sorry I haven't been here for a while, but anyhow, what I'm going to share with you today is a couple of small Michael's haul. Anyhow, I need it at the time when I went. I went mostly because I needed what I thought was copper paint. But when I got home, I realized it wasn't the copper paint I was almost out of. It was the bronze. I was almost out of bronze, but anyhow. But I'm going to show you what I got on that first trip. The first thing I do when I go into Michael's is I go to the liquidation center to see what they have. And anyhow, so really the only thing that I got at that liquidation at that time was this, it's from Artsy. It's a stamp and a die cut set of, what do you call it? Feathers. Oh, my mind. Anyhow, so like the original price on this was $15.99, I think. It's hard to see. Or do I see $25.99? I'm not sure. Anyhow, I got it for $7.97. Anyhow, so that's it. There's two pieces, I guess, is in liquidation because there's two pieces missing out of this set. So that's it. Okay. And I also got this stamp set, Recollections. Okay, it has letters. What I got it mostly for because they have number stamps, and I don't have number stamps. Okay, and because it has a sticker stamp also, a ticket stamp. Sorry, and that's it. That's got all kinds of little weather symbols and that. There's smiley faces and whatever, hearts and clouds and rainbow. Anyhow, so that's that stamp set. And the paints I got at that time they're all metallic paints that I bought. This one is it's extra sheen metallic paint. It's amethyst. That's the color. That's by Deco Art. Okay. And I got Royal Ruby metallic also. That's the color. It's hard to see, but that's the color of it there. Okay. It's by Deco Art. And I got Festive Green metallic also by Deco Art. There's the color. You see it better. There. And I got, okay, so I went hog wild on the copper. Okay. I got just a regular metallic copper. Okay. I got it's all Deco Art. I got a bright copper metallic, also Deco Art. That's it. And I got, let's see. Okay. Just the copper one, the plain copper one, I got two of those. Okay. And this one is Ultra Sheen copper. Let's the top of it. Okay. And I got, okay, a bright copper metallic. That's the top color on there. Anyhow, so that was it for that. So then when I got home and I realized, oh no, it's the bronze that I needed more of. So I went back a couple of weeks after with my sister-in-law Janet, and okay, so like I said, first place I hit was the liquidation center, the liquidation part of the store. So what did I get? I found this thing of Aleene's Tacky glue. Look at that. Anyhow, that was, the original price on that was like something like $80. Like, it's hard to see what the original price was. It was, I think it was $80 original price, and I got it for $24. Anyhow, so I'll probably be dead and buried by time before I get a chance to use all that. Anyhow, so there you go. Okay, I also found Jane Davenport's washi tape. Now, original price was $17.99. I took the only three that was there. There's the last three. I got them each for $5.97. Okay, and that's that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's got 5 rolls in this one. Jane Davenport's washi tape. That's that one. This one's got 7 rolls. That's that one. And which one did I show you? And this one also. That's 5 rolls. Okay. Is it that one I showed you before? I'll show you this one again, maybe. Anyhow, yeah, so I got like I said, the last 3 on there. And I also I was looking for pens. I wanted copper and bronze, and I also got the Recollections. This one is silver. This one is silver. That's the tip on there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. That's the tip on it. This is silver. Now, this one is also Recollections. This one is copper. It's a fine tip. Okay. And I wanted bronze, so now this is a jelly roll. It doesn't they don't write the colors on there. But this looks more like copper. I'm sorry, bronze color. Yeah, this is a bronze. And it's a jelly roll pen. Okay. And I went looking for the bronze paint. Now the thing is, I'll show you in a minute. They had, this one is a multi-surface. Okay, it's a bronze color, but it doesn't seem to be metallic. Usually it's, yeah, it is metallic. But that's the color of it on the bottom, and that's the color on the top. But it doesn't really look bronzy. I'm going to show you. This here. This one here. This is copper. This is what that bronze, that's what this bronze looks like on the paper. Okay. Now this here, I don't know if you guys ever heard of. This is a brush. This is a brush bronze, brushed metal. Have you guys ever seen these or used these? Anyhow, what this is what it looks like on paper. Okay, that's what it looks like on paper. Now the directions on this one is, let me see if I can see this. This is an indoor-outdoor paint, so you can use this for outdoor projects. It's, let's see, super metallic acrylic paint. It's a matte finish. Oh, wait a minute. That's a matte finish. Huh. Metallic paint. Sorry, it's hard to see because there's a glare. Okay. Okay, for decorative crafts and home. Anyhow. It's good on most paintable surfaces. Okay, this takes like a shake well, let dry for 2 hours between coats. That's a long time. And it'll cure within 24 hours. And yeah, so that's that. Brush bronze. Okay. And this is folk art. Okay, that's made by folk art. Anyhow, a little bit more expensive, but you know, I bought it to try it because I needed bronze paint, right? Anyhow, so I hope you liked that bit of a haul that I did, a couple of hauls, and as far as my deck of cards goes, I will be continuing that at some point. Right now, I'm at a point where I sort of like lost my mojo and I don't feel inspired. Although I'll go sit at my craft table to do something and I get sidetracked and then I just don't feel like doing anything, any crafting. So hopefully somehow I'll find some inspiration somewhere. So anyhow, so that's it, guys, and I'll see you another time, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and ring the little bell, little bell thingy beside there so you get notifications whenever I upload a video. And please leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys again another time. Ciao.